So this is the realistic makeup look that I've done on my face above sunscreen. This is almost everyday makeup look I've done without using any makeup brush or sponges. And I've mentioned how to use your sunscreen on your face to get that maximum benefit. To know how to, watch the full video. Hey guys, this is Ganga here, back with another video. So earlier sunscreen video, in this video I have mentioned how to apply sunscreen the right way to get that maximum benefit. So in this video I'm going to show you the demo. And the main reason many people avoid sunscreen because they think their face will get tired, dull looking, oily, all that sort, right? This makeup look is above sunscreen. This is my almost everyday makeup look. I do it even if I'm standing under direct sunlight. And this is the best makeup look with no much products. So let's go to the demo. What you guys are really close so that you can watch me clearly. So I just have lip balm, okay, nothing else. So now we're going to use sunscreen first. No moisturizer because as I mentioned, this is a moisturizing sunscreen. So we don't want any moisturizer. So I'm going to tell you how to use your sunscreen to get that maximum benefit. So basically you can just take two fingers. So, like toothpaste. You can put it on your finger, okay? Yeah. And some more. I'll show you. It's almost over. Okay. So take it like this basically. This much quantity you need. That's why we are putting it on two fingers so that we will not get confused, right? So take like this and do this. Apply. So basically this is the amount of sunscreen you need, okay? So that's why we are putting it on the two fingers. And don't do this and don't do this, okay? Because your sunscreen is going to get into your hands and it's going to get wasted. So just use these two fingers only to put all over your face. Basically when you start using sunscreen, no, initially you will not feel very comfortable. You feel that it's making you dull, oily, but it will take some time to get used to it, especially with this sunscreen. Initially the first few times when I used it, I was not very happy, but after that, third or fourth time use, I just really got used to it. And you have to the thing is like you have to blend it really well, no, just keep blending. This might look as if there's a white cast, but after some time it quickly get absorbed in the skin and becomes really nice. So after this I'm going to use Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. Primer is very very important, guys. Trust me, let it be any skin type, use primer at least on your sweating areas. For example, I sweat here a lot, T-zone. I just apply first and I dab it. So what happens, just close the pores, okay? So your pores will not be visible and it will take care of the sweating as well. So you won't sweat and get oily, and your makeup also will last for long time. So primer is very very important. So I blend the primer to my skin. So now we can see that the primer, sunscreen, everything got really absorbed to the skin. So after this, mostly maximum on days I do this only. I take foundation. I'm taking this Fit Me. Just a travel friendly foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Okay. So I take a tiny bit. I don't put it all over the face. Only on my dark circle area and my problematic area. So here I have a pimple that popped up from a recent skincare. I've been trying new products for review. So this popped up from that product. So can you see? I put it on my problematic areas. Little tiny bit, okay? I just keep blending. In this video, I'm not going to use, you know, brush at all. Just I'm going to use my fingers because every day, no, I don't. I think using brush, beauty sponge is too much. So this is what I do. Now, as I'm talking, it is taking more time. Otherwise, I finish all this makeup look within 10 minutes. Yeah. Finger. As it is every day, it's okay for your pimple mark to be shown. It's okay now. It's part of us. Whatever left out, I just take it out. Your wish. So again, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me, compact powder. This is in the shade Ivory. Yeah. So what I do, I use a sponge inside that, and I powder in my sweating areas. Here, above the eye. Then I have brown face. I can never, never go without contouring. I do it even if I'm stepping out for a grocery shop. Round shape problem, girls know that, right? So yeah. So I'm taking this Wet and Wild contour palette. Exactly. Makes a lot of difference. Use blush from Color and this is shade Sweet Scarlet. So yeah, again my finger. So again for eyeshadow, on everyday basis, maximum I only do this. I don't use eyeshadows. I take my contour palette and I take the dark color brown and I put it on my eyelid. What this gives a depth, guys, to the eyelid. It won't look flat. I just use this. My fingers again. Just a little bit for the, depth. That's it. It makes a difference, right? For my eyebrows, I'm taking this Etude House, eyebrow pencil. This is like, this. This is not that great product, but it works. There's one more from Wet and Wild, same kind of, eyebrow thing. That is really good. Okay. I just fill the gaps. That's it. Eyes. For mascara, I on regular basis I stopped using kajal. So mascara, I'm going to take this Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Beautiful mascara. If you are planning to buy one new mascara, please buy this. You will love it. Show you. Last one is we're going to put lipstick. So today I'm going to use this Nykaa's mini from the shade Mishti. It's a very good shade, guys. Yeah. So that's it, okay? This is the makeup look I've been doing recently. This is the hairstyle I've been doing recently. This is the realistic makeup look that you can do above your sunscreen. And trust me, this makeup look lasts for long hours, even you're standing in the hot sun, okay? Just that you have to keep compact powder that I showed you. You have to just do a touch up in between, okay? Just to take away the sweat and lock in that glow. So this is the makeup look that I've been loving, guys, and let me know how you feel about this. And put that in comment box and follow the sunscreen rules. Daily use sunscreen. Even if you're staying at home, use SPF 30 minimum, and I'm sure you will see a lot of difference in your skin. And if you want to know about that video that I made earlier about sunscreen, the best sunscreen, I've spoke enough things about sunscreen. Okay, you have to check out that video. It will come here on the screen. So go please check and show some love in that video as well.